What is hijab? Hijab is an Arabic word from the root hajaba, meaning to cover, conceal, or hide. It is a complex notion encompassing action and apparel. It includes lowering the gaze with the opposite sex, and applies to men as well, who must lower their gaze and cover from navel to knee. Let's call it modest dress and behavior. The word itself appears in the Qur'an in several contexts, though, interestingly, not in the two verses that address Muslim women's dress directly, 24:31 and 33-59. These two verses enjoin the believing women to draw their khimar over their bosoms and to draw their outer garments around them when they are outside, respectively. Traditionally, a khimar is defined as a head cover, referred to by those who believe that hijab includes covering the head. Hence the interpretation, draw your head cover over your neck and bosom. From this point of view, hijab as modest dress includes covering the head with a scarf. Modest behavior includes not touching the opposite gender, nor being alone in a room together. The word hijab is also used as the word to describe the head cover itself, as in, I am wearing a pink hijab to match my skirt today. Are Muslim women the only women who wear headscarves? Many different faith and ethnic groups have head coverings for both men and women. Sikh and Hindu women wear loose veils over their heads. Amish women wear headscarves. Catholic nuns still wear head coverings, and Mary the mother of Jesus, peace be upon him, is always depicted in a head covering. Orthodox Jewish women are also required to cover their hair. Many avoid the modern conundrum of appearing strange by using a wig instead of cloth to accomplish this. When do Muslim women start wearing a headscarf? Once a young woman reaches puberty, the headscarf becomes an obligation. Some young girls like to wear it to practice, or dress up and pretend to be grown up, but it's not required of them. Where does a Muslim woman wear hijab? She will wear it in front of unrelated men, and men in the extended family whom she would be eligible to marry. This includes inside her home and outside it. If none of those men are present, she doesn't have to wear it, even if she is outside. What does the word veil refer to? When used to describe Muslim women's modest dress, the word veil is totally inadequate. Region, history, class position and politics all contribute to an incredible variety of modest dress. A face veil, the proper correspondence with the English word veil, is known as a niqab. The Afghan burqa is a full-body covering with mesh grill for seeing. The Iranian chador is a large single piece of cloth cut as a semicircle covering the head and body, leaving the face uncovered. The Iranian manto is a long cloak worn with a headscarf. The Indonesian jilbab, often in traditional batik, is a long loose tunic worn over pants or long flowing skirts, with a headscarf. In the West, Muslim women usually adapt mainstream fashion, pairing a long-sleeved shirt with a long skirt and a color-coordinated headscarf often held elaborately with jewelry-enhanced pins. YouTube videos and Muslim women's fashion magazines contain tutorials and suggestions on how to wear different styles of hijab. Please like and subscribe. Smiley face.